In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed kitform into WordPress. This is a simple process, and it only takes a few minutes once you know where to click. I will walk you through it step by step, and I will also explain what each screen is doing so it is easier to follow along. First, in your account, click Audience Growth. This is where you can find the tools that help you create and manage forms and other growth features. When you click it, wait for the next page or menu to load, and you should see options related to landing pages and form building. Next, click Landing Pages and Forms. This section is specifically for anything related to forms that can capture leads. Take a moment here to make sure you are in the correct area, because the Embed option is tied to the form you create. Now, open your form. Choose the form that you want to embed on your WordPress page. If you have multiple forms, select the right one based on its name or purpose. Once the form builder or form overview opens, you are ready to access the embedding settings. After that, click Embed. This tells the system that you want to place this form somewhere else, like your website. You should see embedding options appear, typically with code and different formats for placement. Next, click HTML. This option usually provides a clean HTML snippet that you can paste into WordPress. When you select HTML, the interface should show a block of code that you can copy. Then click Copy. This copies the embed code to your clipboard. If you do not see anything change, you can double-check that the copy action completed successfully, because the next steps rely on having the correct code. With the code copied, you can move over to WordPress. Now, in WordPress, open your page. Make sure you are editing the exact page where you want the form to appear. For example, this might be a contact page, a landing page, or a page meant to collect signups. Once you are in the page editor, click the plus icon. The plus icon is how you add a new block to the page in WordPress. After you click it, you should see a list of blocks or a search bar. Now, search for Custom HTML. This is the block type that allows you to insert your own HTML code directly into the page. As you type, you should see the matching option appear. Next, click Custom HTML. This opens the custom HTML block in your editor. At this point, WordPress is ready to accept the embed code you copied earlier. Now click Edit HTML. This lets you insert the snippet into the code field. WordPress may show a text area or code editor, and the goal is to place your form embed code exactly there. Paste the code into the field. Take a moment to confirm that you pasted the entire snippet, not just part of it. The embed code usually contains the form script or embed tag, and missing any part can prevent the form from loading correctly. Finally, click Save. Saving ensures your WordPress page stores the changes, and the embedded form will appear when visitors load the page. After saving, you can preview the page to confirm that the form displays as expected and that it functions properly. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.